Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are exploring a fascinating and often subtle aspect of attraction. How girls try to build sexual tension when they really fancy you. Are you aware of the signs? Now, it's not always straightforward, as women may use various tactics to stoke the fires of desire, sometimes so subtly that they are easy to miss. In this video, we will decode these signs and understand the ways women create this tension. And don't forget to stick around until the end for a vital bonus tip. This additional insight is key to enhancing your understanding and response to these signals. It's an essential tool for navigating these interactions, so make sure you catch it. Intriguing compliments with a flirty tone. It's essential to recognize how she compliments you, as well, this could be a significant indicator of her intentions. When a girl fancies you, her compliments often go beyond the ordinary. They might come with a playful, flirty undertone, suggesting a deeper level of interest. These compliments might be about your physical appearance, the way you carry yourself, or even something unique about your personality. The key is in the tone and the delivery. A hint of playfulness, a touch of suggestiveness, or even a certain look in her eyes as she says it. This style of complimenting is a subtle way of building sexual tension and expressing her attraction to you. To respond effectively, first acknowledge her compliments with a smile or a thank you. If you are interested, reciprocate with your own light-hearted compliment. Pay attention to her reaction to gauge if she's comfortable escalating the flirtation. Remember, the goal is to keep the interaction fun and engaging. Matching her tone and being playful in return can further the connection. Touching you in a lingering way. Next, let's focus on the ways that she touches you. A lingering touch can be a clear sign of her interest and an attempt to build sexual tension. When a girl is interested in building sexual tension, her touches often become more intentional and prolonged. Instead of brief, casual contact, you might notice her touches lingering. A hand resting on your arm a little bit longer, a gentle graze as she walks on by, or even prolonged eye contact during these moments. These touches are usually subtle but charged with an unspoken intimacy, creating a connection that goes beyond friendly interactions. It's her way of testing the waters and seeing how you respond to her advances. Recognizing and appropriately responding to these touches is key. If you are interested, responding with a similarly gentle touch can signal your reciprocation. For instance, a light touch on her back as you walk or a gentle brush of her hand can convey your mutual interest. If she appears comfortable and receptive, well, these mutual touches can significantly heighten the sense of connection and intimacy. Wearing more revealing or attractive clothing. Noticing a shift to more revealing or attractive clothing when she's around you can be a significant sign of her intent. When a girl is interested in someone, she might alter her wardrobe choices to be more appealing or alluring. This doesn't necessarily mean dressing provocatively. It could just be about choosing outfits that she feels confident and attractive in, perhaps showing a bit more skin or accentuating her features. The key is the noticeable change when she knows that she will be around you. This effort is often made to catch your eye and signal her interest, using her attire as a non-verbal way of building attraction and sexual tension. Responding to this change in her dressing style should be respectful and considerate. A simple compliment acknowledging her looks can be appropriate. For example, "You look great in that outfit." Ensure that your comment focuses on her choice of style rather than objectifying her. It's also important to read her body language and interaction cues. If she seems pleased with your compliment and continues to engage, it can indicate mutual interest. Remember, the aim is to appreciate her style and effort in a way that respects her as a person. Intimate discussions on sensual topics. Our next point delves into the nature of conversations, particularly if she initiates discussions on more sensual or intimate topics. This can be a subtle yet telling way that she is building sexual tension. When a woman is interested in building sexual tension, she might steer conversations towards more intimate or sensual subjects. This could involve discussing topics related to relationships, sensuality, or even flirtatious banter that that borders on the suggestive. The intention behind these conversations is often to gauge your reactions and comfort level with such topics, as well as create a space where sexual tension can naturally develop. It's a way of subtly shifting the dynamic of your interaction to a more intimate level. In responding to her initiation of sensual topics, it's important to match her level of comfort while maintaining respect for boundaries. Engaging in the conversation with openness and maturity can signal your interest. You can participate in the conversation with your own insights or experiences, but always be mindful not to cross the lines of being inappropriate. If you are enjoying this video, please share it with a like and a comment. Your interaction helps me create more of what you love. Complimenting your physical features. Frequent compliments on your appearance could be her way of signaling attraction. If a woman often comments positively on your physical features, it may indicate her growing interest in you. These compliments could be about anything from your eyes, your smile, or the way that you dress. While compliments are common in friendly interactions, a consistent focus on your physical traits, especially in a flirtatious tone, can suggest that she's trying to build a sense of sexual tension. This behavior is typically a way of expressing her attraction and making it known that, well, she finds you appealing. When you notice her frequently complimenting your physical features, how you respond can influence the progression of your interaction. If you are interested, acknowledging her compliments with gratitude and perhaps a light-hearted reciprocal compliment can keep the exchange balanced and engaging. This reciprocation can help maintain a flirty and playful atmosphere, indicating your mutual interest. However, always be mindful to keep the conversation friendly and engaging, avoiding any discomfort in the exchange. Casual mention of her bedroom or the bed. Next up, let's look at the implications of her casually mentioning her bedroom or bed in conversations. This kind of talk can be a subtle indicator of her intentions. When a woman brings up her bedroom or bed in a conversation, especially in a casual or offhand manner, it might be more than just random chatter. This could be a way of subtly introducing a more intimate and personal aspect into the conversation. By mentioning these private spaces, she might be hinting at a desire for closer intimacy or simply testing how you respond to such topics. It's a tactic that can create an undercurrent of sexual tension, as the bedroom is typically associated with intimacy and privacy. Responding to such mentions requires a delicate balance. If you are interested and want to maintain the flirtatious tone, you might respond with a light humour or a playful comment. However, it's important to keep that conversation tasteful and to gauge her comfort level with the subject. Be attentive to how she continues the conversation following such a mention. If she steers away from the topic, it's wise to follow her lead. This approach ensures that you are both on the same page and that the conversation remains comfortable for both parties. Bonus tip. A crucial bonus tip following these points is developing your emotional intelligence. This skill enhances your ability to interpret and respond to these signs more effectively. Let's delve into how owning your emotional intelligence can deepen your understanding and improve your reactions when faced with these scenarios. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of and understanding your own emotions and those of others. It's about picking up on subtle cues, understanding the context of interactions, and responding appropriately. Developing this skill means that you can interpret the signs that a woman shows when she's building sexual tension. It helps you to understand not just what is being said or done, but also the emotions and intentions behind these actions. You can cultivate emotional intelligence by actively listening, being empathetic, and reflecting on both your conversation and your feelings, and obviously how she's feeling during those interactions. This heightened awareness leads to more nuanced and appropriate responses. Improving your emotional intelligence is invaluable as it strengthens your interpersonal relationships. It allows for deeper connections as you become more adept at understanding and responding to complex emotional cues. This skill is particularly crucial in navigating the nuances of attraction and sexual tension, making your interactions much more meaningful and connected. Having uncovered the ways that girls create sexual tension, are you ready for more relationship secrets? Consider watching the signs a woman wants you to touch her, or learn about the lies that women tell men to initiate the chase. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.